Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to find the clubs in the Premier League application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. After that you will be presented by the front page, and here you can have 5 options to click on. Right below you should click on the second, the PL. After that you scroll down a little bit and you will see the clubs option. Click on that. And here basically is the list of the entire team section, so you can find any team here and just look into any team that you want. I presume you are after your favorite team. I'm going to select, for the example, the Aston Villa team, and here you can see the overview of it, the squad, the team stats, and finally the player stats. So here you can find anything that you want about any team, and that would be about it. I hope it was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.